Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's new on the latest Dress to Impress update. So first we have new codes. The one that I'm using right now is a code, the cloud. It's called Cupid's Cloud. To spell it, it's just Cupid's Cloud like this. And you're just going to redeem it. The second code item is just a basic skirt. It's the code Ella. It's ELLA, all in caps lock. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you around. The new items that we got is this super duper cute. Some of them you do have to play around to equip, like this dress and the skateboard over here. And then we also got a new hat. It is this one, and this one is new. We also got the bandana here on the top. I think that's new as well. The item I'm wearing right now is new. It's a currency item which you can purchase here. The Everlasting Love Set. You can also purchase the Valentine's pattern pack and the Alloons makeup pack here. Hope I said that right. You can also purchase the Valentine's post pack. It's actually super cute. I will show it to you right now, one of them. Super adorable. Then we also have new items for the VIP room. Again, we have like the item that you need to play around to equip. Like this super cute lace corset. We also got some new stuff like this Cupid's arrow and this harp. And I think that is it. Oh, also we got new hairs. Here, we even have mustache now in masculine. We also got new custom makeup stuff here and there. Super cute. I actually really like these so much. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, I forgot. They made or reworked this dress on the wings statue. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.